If by any chance your Bluetooth is failing to turn on, just watch the video until the end. Let's get started. So basically, when you open your Bluetooth and you're trying to toggle it on and it's not turning on probably on your device, this is the number one solution I have for you. So just make sure you watch this video until the end and subscribe if you get value in the video, because we want to reach more people. So all you have to do is swipe up the notification bar and just turn on the aeroplane mode. Turn that aeroplane mode on. When you turn that on, the network signals, Bluetooth are all going to be turned off for a second, and then turn it off again. When you turn it off, head back to your Bluetooth and try to toggle it on. So if you toggle it on, you should be able to have this being to turn on, just like it's going to turn on, and all the devices that you want to connect to are going to be really very easy to connect to. So basically, toggle it on after turning airplane mode off, and then you should be able to connect to all your Bluetooth devices. Basically, that is the number one solution. Subscribe for more tech tips, tricks.